At the Edinburgh Practice, we have two clinical leads who are both clinical psychologists, myself and Dr. Hearn, who covers our child and adolescent services. All of our referrals that come into the practice come to Dr. Hearn and myself. And whether these are self-referrals or GP referrals, we review them all. When we're reviewing referrals, there are several factors that we are considering. Firstly, we're thinking about your clinical needs. So one of the most important things we want to do is ensure that we match you with a clinician who is aligned with your clinical needs. So what that means is we match you with a clinician who can provide care which is both safe and effective for you at that point in time. Secondly, what we want to do, where possible, is try to match you with a clinician who can offer appointment times around your life and your lifestyle. Whatever that may be, whether that's work commitments, attending school or attending university, we try where possible to match you with a clinician who fits the days and times of your preferred appointment. The third factor that we are considering when we review your referral is thinking about, are we the best service for you at this point in time? And really here we're considering two of our values, safety and integrity. We want to provide fast access to high quality mental health services for our clients when we can really meet their clinical needs. So on occasions, there may be times when actually we aren't the service best aligned to meet your clinical needs. On those occasions, we will let you know, and we'll also, where possible, try to direct you to services that we feel would be most appropriate for you at that time. And lastly, sometimes after you've made a self-referral, we might follow up with you via email or phone call to ask for a little bit more information. And this is really just trying to gather more information about what's going on with you so that we can ensure we are matching you with the right clinician or team at the practice. And what I'd really like to do is encourage you to please, when you're submitting a self-referral, really give us as much information as you can about the current difficulties you're experiencing, because that's really helpful for Dr. Hearn and I when we're then trying to match you with the best clinician at the practice for you.